Okay, so the next question is fill in the blanks. Okay, so fill in the blanks. Keep in mind, especially for those of you who are new, we are always looking at strategies that the context will help us with, right? There are, we pay attention to words before and after the blank. We look at context meaning. We look at clues or hint words in the context. My hint words are always, my clue words are always content words. What are content words? Words that answer the question who, what, which are my nouns, adjectives. Okay, what are hint words? Hint words are these connectors, conjunctions, prepositions, pronouns, right? We are always looking for that sort of a thing. Okay, so most of you are coming back and saying part C. Let's quickly look at it. Apple subsequently dash a complaint that the EU IPO dash in 2016 on the grounds that consumers would think MiPad was a variation on Apple's iPad trademark. My options are option A, endorsed, garnered, option B, abated, queer, option C, lodged, upheld, option D, dispensed, suffice, option E, cleaned up, dubbed. So, since most of you have come back and said part C, can we unanimously say that that is the answer? But let's quickly brainstorm this question for the benefit of everybody, right? What is my clue word? What is my clue word here in the context? Quickly, you lodge a complaint. You don't endorse a complaint. You don't cleaned up a complaint. Just illogical. Abated and dispensed again are inappropriate words. Complaint, right? Yeah. So lodged a complaint. So this is a very easy one. You can close your eyes and select option C as the answer without wasting any time. Okay. Just in terms of understanding other words that probably you have no idea of. For example, somebody is asking, what is the meaning of abated? Abated means to become less intense. Sure, no problem. We'll go back. Let me just go back, project the question. So, in option B, blank 1, somebody asked what's the meaning of abated. So, abating means to kind of bring the intensity a little low. So, to put it in an example sentence, I can say, my desire to watch sci-fi movies has not abated. Meaning, the desire to watch those movies is still strong for me. It has not come down. Okay, so abated means to lessen the intensity of something or to become less strong. So, Apple subsequently abated a complaint, illogical, right? And then somebody asked what's the meaning of queer? Q-U-E-E-R. Something queer means something very peculiar, right? It's an adjective. Just so you know, I'm putting the context again. So anything queer, any other words that probably you need meaning for, right? So like we said, queer is, you know, something that is, something is peculiar, something is unusual, something is out of the ordinary, right? So if somebody asks a question, you know, it can even be a very unusual question. So I can describe the question as, you know, what a queer question that is. Yeah. Strange. Yes. Any other words that you need meaning for? I think everything else is you should know, right? Suffice means enough, sufficient. Yeah. So let's move on.